Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. So friends, I am Asif, mathematics teacher, present over here to learn and understand about the subtraction of rational number. This is the fourth chapter rational number of class 7. So friends, in the previous video we have discussed and solved questions of exercise 4C. First of all, we will understand about this, then you will move to solve the questions of exercise 4D. So friends, let's take started. Yes, first point is subtraction of rational number. You see, for any two rational numbers a by b and c by d, okay, now we define a minus b subtract c minus d is equal to a by b, yes, as it is, and this minus c, remember, minus c by d gives us, means tells us this is the additive inverse of c by d. This is the additive inverse of c by d. That means the additive inverse of c by d is minus c by d. So this can be written as this. Okay. Now similarly, have a look. Suppose a by b minus bracket minus c by d is equal to, gives us a by b plus, and this is what, additive inverse of minus c by d. So here is written additive inverse of minus c by d. So the additive inverse of minus c by d gives us plus c by d, plus c by d. So that means a by b minus bracket minus c by d gives us a by b plus c by d, or we can directly multiply a by b minus into minus plus c by d. Okay, but you have to know about this. This gives us additive inverse of minus c by d. Okay, now friends, we will see the questions related to the just previous points. Here exercise 4D, question number first, find the additive inverse. First number 5, no, the additive inverse of 5. First thing, how to find the additive inverse. In order to find the additive inverse of whatever the numbers given, now we have to multiply negative sign with that number. Suppose here is the 5, now multiply negative sign, this becomes minus 5. So this is the additive inverse of plus 5. Now next, fifth mein, yes, first of all we have to change this rational number as denominator positive. Here we have to multiply minus 1 in numerator and minus 1 in denominator. This becomes 15 by minus 15 by 4. Then think it about the additive inverse of this minus 15 by 4. Yes, we have to multiply negative sign by this number. Now multiply the negative sign, this will get 15 by 4, because minus into minus plus. So the additive inverse of 15 by minus 4 is equal to 15 by 4 only. Okay, now see, minus 18 by minus 13. Next we have to make the first positive numerator and denominator as well. First of all multiply the minus 1 here, minus 1 in numerator and denominator. This will give 18 by 13, or rather we can get cancel minus and minus, 18 by 13. Now we have to find the additive inverse of 18 by 13. Now multiply by 18 by 13. That means here minus 18 by 13 is the additive inverse. Okay, now next, additive inverse of 0 is 0. Okay, additive inverse of 0 is 0. Now the next question number second, subtract, here is 3 by 5 from 1 by 3. The numbers given after the from, bring the first number, then minus, because we have to subtract, then write the first number afterwards. Okay, we have to follow the same procedure. Take the LCM 3 and 5, 12 LCM. Now divide 12 by 3, gets 4, and multiply 4 by 1. 4 multiplied by 1, that means 4 1 ja 4. Here is minus, minus, same, divide 12 by 4, 4 3 ja 12, we get 3, and now 3 multiplied by this 3, 3 3 ja 9. No, this is minus 5 by 12. Why minus? Because there is a greater and the smaller number. First of all, subtract them. 9 minus 4, 5. Now place the sign of greater numeral. Here is the greater numeral, the sign is minus, here is minus sign. Minus 5 by 12 is answer. Now next question. Similarly we have to do. Now first, after the terms, whatever the numbers, whatever the rational numbers given after from, bring the first, place the minus sign because we have to subtract, then write this number into bracket. Okay, why? Because it is negative sign. Now this is minus 3 by 5, here minus into minus plus, either and 8 by 9, or either we can write this is plus, or additive inverse of additive inverse of minus 8 by 9. Okay, so friends, see, this can be written as minus 3 by 5 plus, this is the additive inverse, of minus 8 by 9. Okay, now this can be written 3 by minus 3 by 5 as it is. Here is the plus, and additive inverse of minus 8 by 9 means we have to multiply minus sign with this minus 8 by 9. So minus into minus plus, this will 8 by 9, only 8 by 9. Now we have to take the LCM. Take the LCM. 9 5 45 LCM. Okay, same, divide 45 by 5 becomes 9, क्योंकि 5 9 जा 45, and 9 multiplied by minus 3, minus 27. Okay, minus 27. Here is plus, plus. Now divide 45 by 9. 9 5 ja 45. We'll get the quotient as 5. 5 multiplied by 8. Yes, this is 8 5 ja 40. Now here is the greater number, here is the smaller number, and we have to subtract and place the sign of the greater number. Greater number is, yes, 40. Here is the plus sign. 40 minus 20. Then we have to subtract the, okay, and write the 45, and this will get the answer. I hope you will calculate easily. Okay, you can easily calculate. Now next, see the friend, question number 3rd. Have a look. And we have taken the two sub questions of question number 3rd, second number and 7th number. Have a look. All questions are as similar types of questions. If once we understand, we can easily solve the question. Now see here, minus 3. This can be written as, this is the additive inverse of 4 by 7. Okay, now this is minus plus, additive inverse of 4 by 7 means minus 4 by 7, that means as it is. Okay, now we can solve. Here is denominator 1, here is 7. Now they take the LCM 1 and 7. Okay, divide 7 by 1 becomes 7. 7 multiplied by minus 3, minus 21. Here is minus, here is minus. Now 7 divides by 7 becomes 1. 1 multiplied by 4, this is 4 1 ja 4. Both the numbers are negative, and if you remember, then we come to know we have to add all the numbers and place the negative sign. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you will get. Now see the next question. Here is the next. Have a look. This can be written as minus 5 by 14. Okay, now this can be written as, this is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 7. Here is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 7. So here minus 5 by 14, this is plus. So the additive inverse of minus 2 by 7 means we have to multiply the minus sign with this number minus 2 by 7. Minus into minus plus, that means we have to opposite sign, 2 by 7. Now take the LCM 14 and 7. Yes, the LCM is 14. Divide this 14 by this 14, 1 multiply by -5 बन जा 5. Here is plus. Divide this 14 by 7. Yes, get the quotient as 2. 7 2 ja 14. 2 and 2 multiply by 2 becomes 4. Now subtract. This is -1 by 14. This is your answer. I hope you will understand. Now see the friends, question number 4. Subtract the sum of -36 by 11 and 49 by 22 from the sum of 33 by 8 and -19 by 4. And I have already told the terms after from bring the first. So here the from, after terms from, here is the terms after from, bring this term, and what this sum of these two number. First of all, sum, okay, because these two numbers are placed after from, and I have already brought the first term. Okay, now subtract. Here is the subtraction sign. Okay, this is subtract it. Now subtract the sum, this number, this is the sum 36 divided by 11, sum of here 49 by 22. Sum of these two numbers, remember, sum of these two numbers here. Okay, now we can solve easily. You can solve easily, and this is 33 by 8, this is -19 by 4, or plus into -19 by 4. Okay, here is minus. First of all, we have to solve bracket numbers. Okay, now here take the LCM. 22 is LCM. Yes, divide this 22 by 11, you will get 2. 2 multiplied by -36 -22. Here is plus. Divide the same number by the same number, get 1. 1 multiplied by 49. Yes, 49. Now take the LCM. This is 8. 8 LCM. Now divide this 8 by 8. 1 multiplied by 33. ये 33 बन जा 33 -1. Divide 8 by 4 becomes 2. 2 multiplied by 90. This is 19 to जा 38. This is minus. Here is the greater. Minus. Now subtract 72 59. This is 3 and 6. This is 2. Minus 27. Okay, because this is greater sign by 22. Now subtract. This is -5 by 8, because the greater value, the sign of greater value is minus. So the answer is minus. Minus into minus plus, or either 23 by 22. I hope you can proceed from here. Once again, we have to take the LCM 8 and 22 and proceed the same. Then afterwards you will get the answer. Okay, I hope you will do it. Calculate, please calculate it. Friend, your homework is question 1 to 5, because 5th question is very easy and one question is given as examples as question number 5. I hope you will solve very easily. If you have any doubts or questions, so please comment in the comment box below. I will reply or contact me. Okay, have a nice day.